Our problem of the day says, how many turtles are inside the tank? Outside, in all. Well, let's start with the inside the tank. Start with the inside. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 turtles inside the tank. Now let's find how many are outside the tank. We have 1, 2. So there's 4 inside and 2 outside. Now our job is to figure out how many in all. Well, we're going to add all those numbers together. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in all, there were 6 turtles. Our learning target says, I can identify 2 parts that make a whole. And the whole we're looking for today is 6. Let's take a look at our first problem here. It says write the number inside and outside, then write the number in all. So we're going to start with the number inside. Well, I see 1, 2, 3. There are 3 inside. Outside, there is 1, 2, 3. Well, now we need to figure out the in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in all. We can also use the words part, and whole. So there's the part in the cave, there's the part out of the cave, and then the whole is how many crabs there all are. So let's take a look here. I'm going to use the words part, and whole now instead. So let's find the part in the cave. There is 1, 2. The part in the cave is 2. Now let's find the part out of the cave. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 out of the cave. Now we want to find our whole. So we have to count all of them. So it's like, again, thinking, in all, how many crabs are there? What's the whole amount of crabs? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 6 is the whole. We're going to do one more over here. So again, it says write the number inside and outside, then write the number in all. Again, I'm going to use that part, whole words to help us understand. So let's find the part in the cave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in the cave. Now let's go ahead and we're going to count the part out of the cave. 1. So 1 out of the cave. And finally, let's count the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole is 6. Let's take a look at your math sheet for today. So again, it says, I can identify 2 parts that make a whole. So here it says how many bats are inside the cave, how many bats are outside the cave, how many bats in all. So that terminology, those words, inside, outside, and all. You will also notice, though, they have the terms part, and a whole here. And that just means the inside and the outside and the in all. Down here it says how many spiders are inside the web, how many spiders are outside the web, how many spiders in all. Again, when we do the part, that'll be the part on the inside. This is the part on the outside. And then you will have your whole, which is all of the spiders. Same thing down here. They want to know how many leaves are on the tree. So that's 1 part. They want to know how many leaves are on the ground. So that's the other part. And then your whole is how many all together. Okay? Have fun today doing your math sheet.